Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we will delve into KULR Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 18th of March, 2025, our system has categorized KULR Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe its developments in the days ahead. The stock resides within the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -47.1% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -100% and -16.38%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 60.22%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -8.25% to 404.39% over the coming year. This translates to a future price ranging approximately between $1.52 and $8.37. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group includes the headline, "Is KULR Technology Group Inc. stock still a buy after falling 5.68% on Tuesday?" The KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price decreased by 5.68% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, dropping from $1.76 to $1.66. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 10%, ranging from a low of $1.60 to a high of $1.76. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 36.07% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also declined on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically follows the stock's performance. On the last trading day, volume decreased by 18 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $23.16 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $5.49, while the lowest was 15.2 cents. Currently, the price stands at 69.76%, or $3.83, below the 52-week high of $5.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. KULR Technology Group recently announced significant advancements that could positively influence its stock price both in the short and long term. On the 13th of March, the company revealed that its NASA-certified M35A battery cells have been selected by a leading private U.S. space company, highlighting the growing demand for KULR's high-performance energy solutions in the aerospace sector. Prior to this, KULR received its AS9100 certification, reinforcing its commitment to quality and safety in aerospace and defense manufacturing. This certification is likely to enhance KULR's reputation among potential clients and investors, fostering further business opportunities. Additionally, the strategic partnership with Worksport aims to develop battery technology and bolster U.S. manufacturing capabilities, which should attract additional contracts and increase market trust. With previous initiatives, including a distribution agreement to integrate KULR's energy products in the AI ecosystem and advancements in next-generation nuclear and battery technologies, KULR is positioned at the forefront of several high-growth tech sectors. As a result of these developments, KULR's potential for revenue growth is considerable, which could lead to a favorable impact on its stock price in both the immediate and extended future. Investors may see this as a strong indicator of the company's trajectory in emerging markets, thus potentially reinforcing positive sentiment and stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned KULR a buy grade along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the short-term developments. KULR Technology Group Inc. stock currently shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average presents a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, the stock is generally signaled to sell, indicating a more negative forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.75. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $1.37. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall bearish outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and since then, it has seen a decline of 65.42%. Further downward movement is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 55 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 87 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.45 and $1.38. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support threshold. In this case, KULR Technology Group Inc. finds support just below today's level at $1.45. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.38 and $1.27. This stock may experience significant movements during the day, indicating high volatility, and the substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is considered to be at a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 160 cents between its high and low, which represents a 10% change. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 14.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on March 27, 2025. Analysts are predicting a consensus estimate of negative 2 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at $1.76. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, KULR Technology Group faces its first support level at $1.45. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of January 2025, Carpenter Michael Gerald executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Mo Michael made an insider purchase of 2 million shares of common stock. Also, on the 16th of January, Mo Michael conducted an insider purchase of 270,000 shares of Series A preferred stock. On that day, Walker William Quinn carried out an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. Additionally, Cantor Sean made an insider purchase of 1,500,000 shares of common stock on the same date. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 61.5. In total, insiders bought 21,844,801 shares and sold 9,228,279 shares in the last 68 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good buy? KULR Technology Group Inc. presents several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a sell recommendation since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of March, we anticipate KULR Technology Group will open higher by approximately 1.33 cents, starting trading at $1.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.